South Korea's economy is roaring back to life, defying expectations and posting its fastest growth in over a year. But here's where it gets controversial. This impressive rebound comes amidst ongoing trade tensions with the U.S., leaving many to wonder if it's sustainable. The numbers are undeniably impressive. South Korea's third-quarter GDP surged by 1.7% year-on-year, surpassing the 1.5% predicted by economists. This marks a significant acceleration from the 0.6% growth seen in the second quarter. Driving this growth are exports and manufacturing, which expanded by 6% and 3.3%, respectively. Think of it as South Korea's factories humming with activity, churning out goods destined for global markets. However, the construction sector acted as a drag, contracting by a substantial 8.1%. And this is the part most people miss. The export growth is the fastest it's been since the third quarter of 2024, a testament to the resilience of South Korea's economy. This economic upswing arrives at a crucial juncture. South Korean negotiators are locked in talks with the Trump administration over a trade deal. President Lee Jae Myung recently highlighted the sticking point, a $350 billion investment pledge from South Korea to the U.S. Lee emphasized the need for a balanced agreement, stating, "The U.S. will of course try to maximize its interests, but it mustn't be to the extent that causes catastrophic consequences for South Korea." Is this a fair deal for South Korea, or is it caving to U.S. pressure? The existing trade deal, reached in July, imposed a 15% tariff on South Korean exports to the U.S., down from the initially proposed 25%. In return, South Korea committed to the substantial investment. Looking ahead, the Bank of Korea paints a cautiously optimistic picture. They predict continued recovery in domestic demand, fueled by consumer spending, and anticipate favorable export conditions due to the strong semiconductor sector. However, they also warn of the gradual impact of U.S. tariffs on exports. The central bank forecasts full-year growth of 0.9% for 2025 and 1.6% for 2026. What does this mean for the future of South Korea's economy? Can it sustain this growth amidst trade uncertainties? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.